land is 750 meters square. Our villa area is 500 meters square. I don't recommend you to start the construction because then the material, for example, which you are planning and the material which the developer is using can be different. You have actually almost 50% different. It means if you buy a land and build your own villa with the same quality, same luxury project, you are saving almost 50%. Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss with you about a general and a common question from the foreign investors: buying or building of a villa, which one is more profitable? This is a common question we are receiving from our investors because when the investor came to Turkey, they have two options. One is you can just go and buy. The second option is you can buy from a land and you can build your own from the scratch. But which one is more cheaper? Which one is more profitable for the foreign investor? So today we will discuss with you all details with the numbers. So today we will go on this project. This is actually well-known construction, let's say villa project in Istanbul, Büyükçekmece. But the units are almost sold. That's why I'm thinking there is no problem to giving examples exactly on this project. So the project this year mentioned, it is land area 750 meters square. Land area 750 meters square. And the total construction is 500 meters square. You can read from here. It is in Büyükçekmece, it's west side of Istanbul. 500 meters square is a villa, the construction area, and 700 meters 50 square is a land area. Okay, they have cinema, playroom, home office, indoor garage, sauna, 3-floor, garden floor, security, swimming pool. Okay, perfect. This is what they have. So let's take a number from here and let's write our Excel sheet first. I will remove the site. What do we have? Our land is 750 meters square. Our villa area is 500 meters square. What's the selling price? Let's check what the selling price. The selling price is 34.5 million lira. Let's say 34 million lira, right? No, less. So 34 million lira. So how much is 34 million lira? We have to divide 34 million lira divided by $2 to is 26. So it is $1.3 million. So first part we completed. We analyze the project. We check what the selling price in the project is. $1.3 million. 750 meters square. We have a garden. 500 meters square is the construction area. We have, let's say, high level exteriors and the furniture works. Medium level, let's say, the interior works. Let's go right now. Second part. If we build same type of villa, what will be the construction cost? So let's write same thing here. What is a land? 750 meters square. Okay, let's write the land. We have 750 meters square land area. Project drawing cost. I make here two types of costs. First one is land project drawing, let's say building permits cost. Second part is construction cost. We have our land is 750 meters square. So land in Büyükçekmece right now in Çamlıurfa in that area is roughly 12,000 lira per meter square. So 750 meters square multiple 12,000 meters square, it is 12,000 lira per meter square. It is roughly 9 million lira. And this side you will see the number in dollars. So 9 million lira is around $346,000. Okay. So project drawing. Project drawing you need for getting the building permits. Before starting the construction, you have to get the building permits. For this, you have to do the project drawing. And roughly, and you have 500 meters square project, right? Because your villa is 500 meters square. So you will do building permit for a 500 meters square project. And it will cost you right now 150,000 lira. Building permits. This one is building permits. So your project is 500 meters square. And the building permit for a 500 meter square project is roughly right now 250,000 lira. So this part is done. Let's go another part. This side is fully about the construction. So first one is kaba inşaat. Kaba inşaat means it is gray structure. Like in Turkey we are calling two parts. One is kaba inşaat, one is ince inşaat. Kaba inşaat means skeleton of your building. Like, let me show you something is here. Kaba inşaat. This one actually calls Kaba inşaat, as you see. Just gray structure, just let's say concrete, rebar works, and the bricks. This guy made U-ton bricks. So this one is called Kaba inşaat in Turkey. Okay. So Kaba inşaat, what's the size of your project is 500 meters square. We will write here 500 meters square. Okay. The next step is fine construction. Fine construction means ince inşaat. What's ince inşaat? It is like your windows, your doors, your parquet, your ceramic, like everything is included to finishing your project. Let's say finishing your building, it is go to ince inşaat. So side of your project is 500. Again, I will write here 500. Front of the side, I may write before for save the time, cost for the construction like 500 meters square, Kaba inşaat, gray structure, with concrete, with steel, with bricks. It costs roughly 5,000 lira per meter square. It means it is 2.5 million lira. Okay, so 500 meters square in inşaat, it's 9,000 lira, so it means 4.5 million lira for interior with doors, windows, ceramic, and labor for everything. Let's write for roof. Approximately we have here 150 meters square roofing area, swimming, let's say 42, let's say 4 meter to 6 meter roof swimming pool if we make 24 meters square, and we will have garden walls. So if our garden is 750 meters square, approximately we will have 170 meters all along 170 meters we will have a garden walls and the landscape area. So we have 600 meters square landscape area because 750 meters square is total area, and here is used 150 for the villa sitting. Remain is a garden area, and iskan also you will write 500. So this is our garden area. This is swimming pool 4 meter to 6 meter. This one is roofing just for covering the roof, and this is our landscape garden and iskan. Iskan is actually unit in the end. Once you completed the whole project, in the last stage, government will ask from you iskan for getting the gas, water, and electric. For opening all this, you need getting the iskan, and this is your, let's say, builder have to do it. So what happened? So once we write all the number here, we are receiving that the construction cost of this project is 17 million lira. Okay, so we calculated land. We calculated government fees, project drawing, and our turnkey construction with all the materials. It gave us 17 million lira total cost. So when we convert to dollar, it means $673,000. So what is the selling price? Selling price is $1.3 million. So we have around, here I mentioned $634,000 we have difference. So we have actually almost 50% different. It means if you buy a land and build your own villa with the same quality, same luxury projects, you are saving almost 50%. So let's go a bit worse version. Let's say we didn't find a land in 12,000 lira. So I'm writing here 15,000 lira. Let's say we find a land a bit more expensive, we paid. And let's say for fine construction, we use a bit more high quality materials, or it costs us, let's say, a bit more. I'm writing it to 11,000 lira. Anyhow, even if we increase the prices, anyhow, we are saving $500,000. So what's happening? When you're buying up land and building your own project with government permits, with the land expenses, with the turnkey construction, anyhow, again, you're saving $500,000 just in one project. So as you see now, if you are building your own project, it is roughly 50% you can save. But of course, both have advantage and disadvantage. When you're buying something ready, you can see everything is ready. You can check the qualities. You can choose, let's say, your locations. But the thing is, when you're buying ready one, it is first of all is costing you a lot of the actual prices. The second is about the privacy, mainly the project which have a site complex, they don't have a privacy, and the ready project you cannot change as you wish, as your requirement. That's why it can be better for you for building. But the building also, the main concern for the foreigner is the timing, who will coordinate the project, and it takes approximately 1 year. So this is the main problem for the Ferrari. But if you have, let's say 1 year, you can, and if you want to save, let's say 50% of your investment, just wait a 1 year, buy your own land where you want, design as you wish, and build it your own project rather than going and buying some ready one. I have some advices for you before dealing with a, let's say, developer. When you deal with the developer for making safety for your side, first of all, be careful for the low prices. Because most of the developer, unfortunately, the small companies in Turkey, they're giving you lower prices for just getting from your project. And once you get the project, once they start the project actually, in the middle of the work, they will ask you many extra expenses and extra requirement, extra payment actually. Because when they are giving you the prices, they are getting some expenses and costs inside, and in the middle of the work, they can expect you more payment. The second is make a reasonable payment plan. Request from your developer BOQ, because when you have the BOQ, you can see all your tasks and which material will be used in your BOQ. This is actually very, very useful and very important for your project. Without bill of quantities, let's say BOQ, I don't recommend you to start the construction, because then the material, for example, which you are planning and the material which the developer is using can be different. They can decrease the quality and they can make different excuses like, I give you pricing because of this low quality. If you want to upgrade, you have to pay more. That's why I request a bit of quantity before starting the construction. The other thing is, maybe you are not in the country, you can be in some other countries, you cannot live in Turkey, you cannot stay in Turkey, put camera control to your side. It is like when you have a camera in your side, you can check from your phone wherever you are, like what's the condition in your site right now, is the labor today is working or not, how is that, in which level you're right now of your project. So everything from by the camera control, you can check your project. In the end, if you want to build your own project in Turkey, or if you have concern about like how I build my own, who will coordinate it, and how the construction works in Turkey, you can comment us, or I have my own WhatsApp in the description. You can WhatsApp me. I will try to help you as much as I can. See you next video.